sicela kusela lokulosa. Lamhla ekuseni mina ingozi sibala arts and culture sichujwa ibhodi. Sibona ukuthi sibhekisela imali sitobika ukuthi ngavile kwesinye arts and culture summit one of the presenters of the summit ebala Blackboy isitha siyabona ukuthi bakhona nabantu. One of the declarations we made during the summit was that the artists from the country to go and participate in the ISITA Soap. Fast forward, and also other auditions, I think we had an attendance of plus 400 aspiring artists that were back on the Lola. See, I'm not going to go back on our ISITA, but we said I'm getting 5 artists on the day. The auditions, Sandala started with Bafuna 1 or 2. Basically, people would say, the Batman was about 100. We all said 1 or 2. The parasites tried, they made up my competitions. The people were excited. We could see, we decided, okay, Navalis Babona. And also, sitawubacela ukuthi bathi introduce ngoba thina sibakathe culture influence influence lesabanayo sibakhethe sibani bashiye bani kwala noma sekungena i-trumpet ingoma la WhatsApp ithi siko naye vele nje kusuka ngesingisi bathi bana isitha sicela uphuma oyohlala e-ofisini lakho sidata sikulethele report ngahamba ngahlala e-office. We are excited ukuthi bantwana bemaswati sesizabamita to confirm that kepha nje imbuso mhlawumbe unachokhathe nabangekuthula basitshela ukuthi mbani wakabani ubuya kashifu bani kuze ukuthi sikawubona ukuthi bayamaswati esibili.
Siyabonga kakhulu inkosi sisibusele enduneni all protocol observed ngazimphimbe. Ligama lami ngingimeki iphindile Gininza ngisuka enkundleni yasemafutheni emphakathini khona emafutheni kubabe chief ngalomkhulu Mabuza. Ngiyabonga.
Sivusele all protocols observed sivusele nasemvumeni. Libito lami nginguFloriano Ndlotsebovu Sandos. Ngichamuka kuMalinza ngaphasi kwababeshifu Ndlondlo wesibili.
Sivusele libe kunene all protocol observed. Libito lami nginguSindiso Thobelihle ngwagogo Sibonga ngisuka enkundleni ya Galamgabe eGunya esigodini sasemhlangeni.
Asivusele kakhulu libito lami ngumphilisi ngakashabangu edlangeni phasa chief babe sukumbili igama.
Siyavusela bekunene. Mkhulu Tala ngake abengibita Mlungwana. Babe Maseko abengibita Kenneth. Make angibita Jabulani. Ngisuka engculwini ngaphansi kwa chief babe Mgebiseni inkundla emafuthini. Siyabonga.
Njengoba sitondona we are excited ukuthi we had about 3-4 declarations during the summit, one of which was to ensure that our Swazi artists get such opportunity to represent us in the productions. The second declaration was that we started a process of establishing a local soap where our artists will feature prominently in the soap. Ngosikhuluma excited because there is one artist who is interning on Paramount Pictures. That's part of the declarations. The third declaration was that of Jan Zesh, who was selected to collaborate with a South African artist, a feat which we achieved about 2 weeks ago. Jan Zesh Besnai sent a collaboration with an artist by the name of Yamke. Look, so with about 3 of the declarations we have achieved. Kuselele yinduna obesibikela manje ukuthi kuselele asama nayo induna siyacela lokuthi olusibambisa ngoba siyona singathola lokuthi sikhona ukumanage within a month singalesiwa ukuthi ama-varieties like singalesiwa distributor foods. There is something very painful nabasichazele yona during the summit. It's a little bit now when I've been a trainer, whether whether the documentaries, no one is paid in this country for these videos. Last week, the South African lady was saying, I have to leave early so that I cross the border and start post so that I can attract imagine. We should be collaborating with those people for our content producers and content that we have as artists and as individuals and have an attractor in mind. Conversations in right there, mass collaborator and see them. We can actually implement that within their lives. We may go to the conversation back on about Black Brain and Katsimlet. It's in the surplus variety. The producing house is called Black Brain. So the next back home man is a Dobacella in I most would see Bafusele, Kubekona Bakshaw, Moba, Satuti Sebalanzela Makaiza.
Sanmonani. My name is Standiwe Shabangu, and I am the series producer for Black Brain Pictures. Let me start with a little bit of an intro, but before that, if I can just observe protocol. Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture, the Principal Secretary, under the Secretary, ENCAC Board Chairman and Member, ENCAC CEO, Ministry Planner, Acting Director of Sports, Eswatini National Council of Arts and Culture. So let me just give a little bit of a brief background on Black Brain Pictures. Our slogan is that what's yours will never miss you. So we are a full 360 production company that is innovative, that is based in South Africa. We believe in grasping raw talent from all over the world to come work for us as a production. Just to get in a bit of Isita. Isita the Enemy is a production that has been operational for 4 years now. Our show has been on screen on a broadcaster called ETV. That's where we source talent, that's where we believe that our world of Eswatini lives in. So what we did when we were creating the show, we wanted it to be mostly based Eswatini, but because of logistics, we are based in South Africa, but our world lives in Eswatini. So we thought, what better way than to get the characters that live Eswatini, that can speak the language, that can translate the traditional aspects of Eswatini. So that's what we are going to do. I'd like to first honor the partnership and acknowledge the partnership between Black Brain Pictures and Eswatini National Council of Arts and Culture. It's a great partnership. We had Mandla N come in February, where we held a summit and open auditions for everyone in Eswatini. I think there was about 400 to 500 people that were there. And the process is, after that, we usually take videos of all of the actors, and then we go sit down to deliberate and filter all of the actors that we are interested in bringing on board. Our audition process is basically that. We get a couple of videos, and then we choose those people to then come join ISITA. So ISITA right now has chosen our 5 actors that will be joining the production, traveling from Eswatini to South Africa to come act, and we've given them different characters, which is about the show. Global exposure. ISITA is #1. We have reached, from 2 years back, we've reached almost 5 million viewers of ISITA, and it still remains #1 today on our platform, ETV. This is when we captivate our stories for Eswatini, for Black Brain Pictures. So the actors have already received their scripts, so they're trying to familiarize themselves with the world and with the story, so that when they come that side, they are well prepared to actually implement their characters and live in their characters. What we'll do on our side, we've already started the logistics of how we would transport them, where they'd be accommodated, so that they live in the world until the end of the season. Our season ends on the 30th of November this year, and then after that we break for a couple of months, and then we go into another season, granted the opportunity if the show carries on.
Minister Bandara City report arts and culture. Mother Shaban Wambe. Siyakumbuka kangwane. Libito lami ngumlayito dlamini ngaphala nomkhulu wethu yabasha imidlalo namasiko. Sicela ukuhlonipha lokhu sinethulele indona lapha ekhaya. Babenzima. Minister lapha ekhaya. Minister.
Siyabonga. Ngicela nje uqala ngikufusela wena Nkosi PS ngusele US ngusele CEO na chair ne board yakhe ngusele kakhulu beSITA you more than welcome Eswatini sivusele kakhulu laba thola ithuba likawusimelela uSITA bese sivusela kakhulu nayo media. Siyajabula ke nemsebenzi lesibona namuhla budlelwane lobuhle lesinabo neSITA. Vele silitiko ngesikhuzata kakhulu ukuthi asakhe budlelwane nabo makhelwane bethu so that we can grow. Sinibongele ke nani thola ligolide ngoba nisithathele ligolide manje nisithathele ligolide kulaba I want to assure you ukuthi lokhu senithethe laba we have increased the audience here uSITA namhlanje lo sikhuluma la everyone want to see ukuthi baphi laba bahamba laba ngena kuSITA sebafuna kubabona nyana as we speak. Siyakujabulela kakhulu lokho. Siqhubeke kakhulu sikhutsade nakubo. Uthe Maswati atwa ngenhlonipho. Nekutimisela Maswati awavilaphi. Ngiyakhumbula ngalela langa kwentwa lama auditions. I went there. Ngabona nami bengithi siwonga futhi ngicele nje kwemveni ngakhanza selike party mhlawumbe nami ngamhleli ngale nje yalo hawu ngabathi ngakhaza wonke ebusona partner wakhe kodwa keke ulithuba liyamvelela nami ngalinyilana sinifisela inhlanhla ke emsebentini eniyawuhamba niwente ubambeni ngetandla doti imbili sengini leni yawuvula emathuba alamanye emaswati ukuthi baphindze basichase buyele siyothatha eSwatini because labantu bathi misela basebenta ngendlela efanele bantu bayawuhlonipha umsebenzi wabo akuwe nje kwente ethu hamba emsebentini wena na ufika leso ubona lethi into yagalavanta abusukubonga usahayile la kufanele ukwente yenda konke nje lokufanele ukwente ukwente nesikhathi ukwente nenhlonipho uchubeke ke wathi ukuthi lo uhamba la uyayina ambassador from eSwatini siyanithumela nje thambanile ifike nisimelele kahle nami ngafike ngibike ecabinet noma sengilate nje khona kodwa ngafike ngibike lokuthi cha kunebantwana labahamba lesibathumela le bawumelela live batowatiwa lokuthi bahambile noma ke sekukhona leni kwentako lokubile nathi ukuthi niyatiwa la khaya asikanithumeli lokho sine sinithumele kuyawusebenta nakhe live nakhe ligama lelive sibonga kakhulu nje kuso sitha kusibambisa vele siyafisa lokuthi babe banenge labalenta ubathatha singakujabulela nje kakhulu lo siqinise lo budlelwane bethu nangabe nathi khona kufanele sinibambise khona we are more than open ukuthi sinibambise siqhubeke sele budlelwane bethu bekuhle siyabonga kakhulu
siyabonga nduna yenkosi i-medium sure ikhona imibuto kepha sitawucela lokuthi induna nayingamane ishuthe nalaba labahambako indawo bese iyahamba induna sitabe sezoba sikhathi sembuto semidi